I'm Beckett. I'm interning at SINTEF Ocean this summer in Trondheim, Norway. I'm a rising senior and I study artificial intelligence.
I'm Tony Tang. I'm an upcoming junior. I'm majoring in mechanical engineering with computer science.
I first started working with Sea Grant last fall with Dr. Robert Vincent on a project to try to analyze the health of oyster larvae.
I'm part of the Arcturus team, which is the autonomous vehicle team at MIT. I've also Europe at Sea Grant, and I'm interning at SINTEF Ocean.
I'm working on a project that's trying to help salmon farms predict how much feed they should give to the salmon. I try to look at the different features of the farm, so maybe how big the fish are or how cold the water is, and use that to try to give the farmers an optimal feeding amount.
I'm creating a simulation for the Reach Alpha 5 robotics arm, which is used to repair any holes in the salmon cage nets. And the reason I'm using a simulation is because we want to see how the robotic arm moves before actually deploying it.
Yesterday we went to the salmon farm that SINTEF jointly runs with SalMar on the island of Hitra, and they had 10 cages. We got to see where the salmon farm workers lived and worked out of.
I got to see the actual cages and the nets. I got to physically touch the nets and see how the arm might be able to fix the net.
It was good to learn some more machine learning techniques and just get better at that on a real world project.
I learned how to use ROS too. Lots of memories here for sure. So I'm taking everything back.